Ever feel that frustration? You're on a website, credit card in hand, ready to buy. You have one last question, so you look for help. Contact us. Chat unavailable. Submit a form. You wait and you wait, but there's no response. What happens next is what every business owner dreads. 2. The customer gets tired of waiting, closes their laptop, and walks away. That's another sale. ... Gone. A potential loyal customer lost forever, simply because you couldn't be there to answer their question at that exact moment. It's a massive problem in e-commerce, and it costs businesses billions of dollars every single year. How many sales have you lost this way? Think about it. Slew. In today's fast-paced world, buyers expect instant answers. They won't wait 24 hours for an email reply or sit on hold. If they can't get the information they need right when they're most interested, they'll just go to your competitor. Traditional chatbots often fail. They're robotic, they misunderstand questions, and they lead to dead ends, making the experience even more frustrating. End up with abandoned carts and a growing list of missed opportunities. Your marketing efforts, your ad spend, all of it goes to waste the moment a customer can't get a simple, immediate answer. It's a leak in your sales funnel that just keeps draining your revenue. Bored. What if your website could answer instantly? What if it could engage every visitor in a natural, human-like conversation the second they had a question? That's where the turning point happens. Meet SalesBot. This isn't just another chatbot. SalesBot is a revolutionary voice-based AI designed specifically to close sales. It understands your customers' questions and provides instant, accurate answers, guiding them smoothly from interest to purchase. Imagine a potential buyer asking about shipping, product features, or stock availability, and getting a helpful spoken response right away, just like talking to a real person. This is the solution you've been waiting for. SalesBot integrates seamlessly with your website. When a customer speaks, the AI responds immediately. It handles objections, provides detailed information from your knowledge base, and can even help them complete their order right then and there. Questions are answered. Sales are closed. It's that simple. You're not just plugging a leak in your funnel. You're transforming your website into a 24/7 sales powerhouse. You're providing an exceptional customer experience that builds trust and loyalty. With SalesBot, you never have to lose a lead again. Turn every visitor into a customer. Stop watching sales, walk away, and start watching your revenue grow. It's time to capture every opportunity instantly. SalesBiz, our website to see how it works and book a demo today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on boosting your sales.